Guys, welcome back to my channel. New and beautiful crochet butterfly pattern as a decorative crochet butterfly pattern. Beautiful styles, designs like creating a crochet butterfly can be a fun and quick project, or a simple pattern for a crochet butterfly. Yarn of your choice, two colors if you want a contrast between the body and wings, like different and latest styles and looks. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel. Like optional, you can also use a contrasting color to work around the center, create a more consistent body. Attach the wings and body together by weaving the ends or using a pipe of glue if necessary. Use the different colors for the wings and body to make the butterfly more vibrant. Use different yarn weights and hook size to create butterflies of various size. This simple pattern should give you a cute crochet butterfly. Feel free to get creative with colors and embellishment to make each butterfly unique and latest ideas. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern. So guys, please see this video slowly and mention in the comment section for your feedback. Take care and bye bye.